Welcome to DynaMaker Features. Environment Mapping. Did you know that you can customize the reflections in DynaMaker? The reflection or environment mapping is an efficient lighting technique that allows reflections on the object surfaces more cheaply with little loss of accuracy compared to other expensive ones like ray tracing. This is achieved with a high dynamic range image or HDRI that acts as a 3D surface surrounding the object. In order to use them in DynaMaker, start by having them in a suitable format like EXR as we do here. Once you have it ready, simply upload it to your application under Files. Next, go into the UI editor. In the tab Advanced, make sure to have Scene Room. After adding assets at the top of the code section, you can use the argument environment map URL and add the asset by typing assets.urls. As you type, you will see all EXR files available from the dashboard. When you save and update, you will see the reflections in the surfaces changing according to this custom environment map. To immerse the user even more, you show it with Show Environment Background. Sometimes to give more focus to the product, you can add some blur to the scene through Environment Background Blurriness. Don't forget about the other scene arguments to adjust the lighting like light intensity, ambient intensity, and even light rotation. Other techniques that could help with the immersion could be locking the camera rotation angle or adding the product on some sort of object, like a simple table for the case of this workshop. An almost infinite ground if you use an outdoor HDRI with a skyline or even a simplified rounded ground with some texturing as if it's a figurine. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.